create a blog, go to CMS and the elements, collection list, drag and drop that in, but you need to link it to something. Now currently we don't have anything. So we're going to click here on the collections panel. We're going to go up, click this icon here, create your first collection. For the sake of this video, I'm going to click blog posts, create collection, and add 10 sample items, but nothing's there. We need to connect the collection. So we're going to select blog posts. We need to add some content, such as an image. Drag and drop this onto your collection. Now here's the beauty. Look, now there's an image for each one of those blogs. We need to link it to whatever information we put into the CMS. Select the image. Look for the purple icons. Get image from blog posts. Choose the field, main image. You can put some text in for the title of the blog post. So we're going to drop that in. Link it to the field, make it more readable, more visible. And you can see how quick and effective this is.